Welcome to this video overview of our training package. We'll give you a quick but comprehensive look at the topics covered using a selection of slides from the PowerPoint deck. Each instant download package includes a detailed trainer guide, comprehensive student workbook, engaging PowerPoint slides, exercise sheets, and a fun Jeopardy-style review game to wrap up your training on a high note. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Administrative Assistant Skills Training Program overview. This video offers a concise insight into the key components of our instant download training material, designed to help trainers confidently teach essential skills like communication, time management, and organization. Get ready to deliver impactful training with ease. Module 1 focuses on communicating clearly and confidently. Key learning points include understanding communication principles, focusing on behavior, and mastering nonverbal cues. Let's explore how these skills can improve your interactions. How well do you communicate? This activity will help you assess your current communication skills. Engage in this exercise to identify areas for improvement and build a foundation for effective communication. The 6 basic principles of communication are crucial for effective interaction. Focus on behavior, be specific, use questions, listen actively, communicate assertively, and understand nonverbal cues. Master these to enhance your communication. Focusing on behavior, not personality, is key. Personality statements are judgments, while behavior statements describe actions. This approach fosters constructive feedback and positive interactions. Being specific eliminates vagueness and enhances clarity. Avoid general statements and focus on describing actions. This precision in communication leads to better understanding and collaboration. Using the power of questions puts you in control of conversations. Questions guide discussions and clarify understanding. Develop this skill to lead interactions effectively. The battleship activity is designed to enhance strategic thinking and communication. Engage in this exercise to practice these skills in a dynamic and interactive way. Listening skill assessment is crucial for effective communication. This exercise will help you evaluate your listening abilities and identify areas for improvement. Let's enhance our listening skills together. Active listening involves giving full attention, acknowledging emotions, and confirming understanding. Practice these steps to improve your listening skills and foster better communication. Communicating assertively involves balancing assertiveness, passivity, and aggression. Understanding these styles helps you express yourself clearly and respectfully in various situations. Telephone etiquette is essential for professional communication. Smile, listen, and speak clearly. These practices ensure effective and courteous interactions over the phone. Body language speaks louder than words. It reveals thoughts, moods, and attitudes. Understanding and interpreting body language enhances your communication effectiveness. Tonal communication involves following the trainer's instructions. This activity will help you integrate verbal and nonverbal communication skills for comprehensive understanding. Interpreting body language involves recognizing positive and negative cues. Understanding these signals enhances your ability to communicate effectively and empathetically. Module 2 covers written communication essentials. Key points include the business writing process, editing, and proofreading. Let's refine our writing skills for professional excellence. The business writing process involves pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and proofreading. Each step is crucial for creating clear and effective written communication. Business writing process reminder cards serve as a quick reference. Use these cards to ensure you follow each step and produce high-quality written documents. Pre-writing involves generating ideas, understanding your audience, and organizing your thoughts. This foundational step sets the stage for effective written communication. Editing your writing focuses on conciseness, active voice, and parallel construction. These elements enhance clarity and readability, making your writing more impactful. Proofreading ensures your writing is free from errors. Focus on agreement, punctuation, and spelling to maintain professionalism and accuracy in your documents. Module 3 is about getting organized. Key learning points include workspace organization, email management, and meeting planning. Let's streamline our processes for efficiency. Dealing with paper involves managing clutter. A cluttered desk leads to a cluttered mind. Start by clearing unwanted items to enhance focus and productivity. When handling paper, act immediately. File it, take action, or dispose of it. This approach prevents clutter and ensures efficient document management. Email disruptions can hinder productivity. Set specific times to check emails, use alerts wisely, and manage group lists. These strategies help maintain focus and efficiency. To-do lists should be prioritized and visible. Keep a single list, update it daily, and align tasks with your goals. This practice enhances organization and task management. Planning involves 5 steps: setting goals, brainstorming, ordering activities, assigning tasks, and monitoring progress. Effective planning ensures successful project execution. Using both sides of your brain enhances planning. Combine logical and creative thinking for comprehensive strategies. This approach leads to innovative and effective solutions. Meeting tips include setting clear agendas, inviting relevant participants, and defining actions. These practices ensure productive and efficient meetings. And to wrap up your training on a high note, every package includes a fun, Jeopardy-style PowerPoint review game. This competitive activity lets participants answer questions, earn points, and reinforce key concepts in an engaging and memorable way. It's the perfect way to review the content while keeping the energy high.